This is a walking tour of the Englishtown Flea Market interior spaces. They have something like 6 buildings that you can walk through, and that used to house a whole lot of vendors, but looks a little bit like a ghost land nowadays. And I'll get into why that is further into the video. You can still see stores inside of these interior spaces, and the thing that was always nice about having these inside stores is that they were more consistent than the outside vendors. So normally outside vendors come and go, get moved around, don't really know where they are or what they're selling, whereas the interior vendors were a little bit more consistent. There were people selling sporting clothes and knives and restaurants that sold Mexican or pizza, but they were always there, and that was kind of the draw inside of a flea market, that you knew that you always had these vendors that were always there, and then certain vendors that came and went outside, and it was kind of, what do I discover this time that I go to the flea market? Now it's changing a little bit, where there's not quite as many things inside to look at, but it's still worth walking through to see what treasures you can find. One of the more interesting stores that I had seen inside this interior spaces, one of the buildings, was a person that sold neon, and he was a original neon craftsman who creates neon signs from scratch. And I got into a conversation with him that was pretty interesting, and I said to him, it looks like this is an abandoned flea market at this point because there's almost nothing inside. And he said, yeah, it might look like that, but in fact all of these stalls are sold out. And that's kind of what is interesting about this, is there's a waiting list to get into any of these interior stalls, even though it looks like they're completely empty. He explained that the reason for that is that people are renting the stalls for their outdoor booths so that they don't have to truck things in and out, and they can just have everything already at the flea market. Now, it sounds good for the outside vendors, but it's not so great for the people that are walking around the flea market. So maybe something to consider if you're Englishtown is that it's not very attractive to the customers to be walking around empty spaces. So the rest of this tour is just the sights and sounds of Englishtown Flea Market. Take a look at what's still available inside, save yourself a walk, and subscribe to B-Man and Beyond.
You gotta fix this lower channel push up.
Oh, he's blue. Yeah, let's go here. Is he the guy that Dad knows?
No, ahí no hay nada, pa. Vamos a caminar, vamos a caminar. No, no. Vamos carro.
Por eso sí, pero ¿de dónde anda?
Yesterday, right? Yesterday I was up like
got those trains I gotta get on.
I send my application to be used on my next flight.
That's a good one. Never heard that one before.
At least Saturday off.
Dani, que agarres tu suéter, dile. ¿Cuál es el Paco? También, déjame tuya para tu hermana.
boy.
Right? Didn't you get one today?
No.
You did.
No. Take it over here.
ليها اسم مش فاكره الاسم ايه انت عايزه تفتكره بالجلد تفتكر اسم
Showing you how they work. Come on, come around this way.